Pang-sampo, ito po, 10. Ano po yung ating magagawang sign dito para po maalala po natin yung pang-10 utos? So, ang 10 commandments, put it like this. Akin yan. Thou shall not covet. Yan po. Thou shall not covet. Huwag mong pagnasaan yung pagmamayari ng iba. Huwag mong pag-imbutan yung pagmamayari ng iba. Yan po yan. Pang-10 na po yan. Last na po ito. Thou shall not covet. So, review. Number 1, dapat walang ibang Diyos. Pangalawa, put it like this. Huwag gagawa ng mga Diyos-Diyosan or luluhuran man sila. Number 3, put in your mouth. Don't use the name of the Lord thy God in vain. Number 4, remember the Sabbath day, Sabbath of rest. Put it like this. Then, number 5, salute. Honor thy father and thy mother. Number 6, thou shall not kill. Number 7, sa relation, dapat 2 lang, hindi 5. Thou shall not commit adultery. Number 8, thou shall not steal. Pinutol yung hinlalaki. Cut of the thumb, thou shall not steal. Pang-siyam, 4 is not 5, 5 is not 4. Huwag kang magsinungaling, huwag mo sabihin na 5 yung 4. Huwag kang magsinungaling, huwag mo sabihin na 4 yung 5. So, thou shalt not bear false witness against thy neighbor. Lastly, number 10, thou shalt not covet. So, yun lang po. Magandang gabi po muli and God bless everyone. Sana nakatulong.